How can Python process thousands of Excel files fast? Imagine trying to read a mountain of Excel files all at once without slowing down your computer. It sounds tough, but Python has some tricks to make it happen quickly. Let's explore how you can process thousands of Excel files efficiently using Python. First, choosing the right library is key. Pandas is popular for data analysis and can load Excel files into data frames very fast. If you only need to grab raw values, openpyxl offers direct access to cell data with less overhead. For the fastest performance, the calamine library, through the Python calamine package, is designed specifically for reading Excel files and often beats other options in speed tests. When working with Excel files that have multiple sheets, you can load all sheets at once with pandas by setting the sheet name parameter to none. This returns a dictionary where each key is a sheet name and each value is a data frame. If you only need specific sheets, just list their names or indices. With openpyxl, you can access sheets one by one using the worksheets property, then read each sheet's rows and cells directly. Handling thousands of files requires organizing your workflow. Start by listing all Excel files in your folder using Python's OS module. Then, loop through each file, extract the data you need, and store it in memory-efficient structures like lists or dictionaries. Once all data is gathered, you can combine it into a single file or database. To speed things up, load workbooks in read-only mode with openpyxl. This reduces memory use and makes reading faster. For large batches, you can process files in parallel using Python's multiprocessing module. This allows multiple files to be read at the same time across different CPU cores, saving you a lot of time. A common task is merging data from many Excel files into one master file. With pandas, you can read each file into a data frame, then concatenate all data frames into one big data frame and save it as a new Excel file. This process can often be done in just a few seconds, even with hundreds of files. Using openpyxl, you can open each file, extract specific cell ranges, and append the data to a master structure before writing everything back to Excel. Memory management is also important. Instead of loading all files at once, process them one at a time or in small batches. Use generators to read rows one by one instead of loading entire data frames into memory. This way, your script keeps running smoothly no matter how many files you have. For example, if you're consolidating daily sales reports from hundreds of Excel files, you can quickly loop through each file, grab the data from specific cells, and store it in a dictionary. This method can finish in seconds, giving you a complete, organized master file ready for analysis. The secret to processing thousands of Excel files fast is matching your tools to your task. Use pandas for general work, openpyxl or calamine if raw speed is needed, and structure your code to handle files in batches or parallel. With these tips, you can automate spreadsheet tasks efficiently and save yourself hours of manual work.